You build your home is on a quiet street. But are you in a floodplain? What's the drainage like on your block? How much rain fell upstream? And how might that change over the next decade? When you start combining and layering all this data: elevation, rainfall, drainage, historical floods, something remarkable happens. You can see your risk. Just a few hundred meters away, your home stays safe, even during historic rainfall. Knowing this before you build. That's importance of GIS. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. But it's more than software. It's the science of understanding where things are and what that means. It's often said that data is the new oil. GIS is the refinery. It takes data from satellites, from the ground, from mobile devices, from sensors, and makes sense of it spatially. Here's the key insight. Almost everything that matters where it happens. Where does disease spread? Where are roads failing? Where are your customers? Where's the wildfire heading? Where do children walk to school? GIS answers all of it. Whether you've heard of GIS or not, you're already living inside it. Every major corporation uses GIS to manage supply chains and pick store locations. Utilities use it to manage power lines and pipelines. Transportation agencies use it to plan and maintain roads. Every government body at every level relies on it. CalGas, for example, uses GIS to manage infrastructure for 20 million customers. And when the Montecito disaster hit, their GIS team deployed directly alongside first responders, making real-time decisions on the same map. The U.S. Department of Transportation's 2026 to 2030 strategic plan puts GIS at the center of everything, from hurricane response to rail safety inspection to air traffic event analysis. GIS isn't just for corporations and governments, it's for communities. In insurance, GIS maps risk. In agriculture, it guides farmers' planting decisions. In retail, it optimizes where to open new locations. In logistics, it makes supply chains more efficient, more sustainable, and more resilient. And now, with artificial intelligence and machine learning joining the picture, GIS isn't just describing the world, it's predicting it. For millennia, maps have helped us navigate, plan, and understand the world. GIS is the next evolution of that. More powerful than anything that came before it. And given the scale of the challenges we face, climate change, biodiversity loss, urbanization, inequality, that power has never been more necessary. This predictive power is completely transforming AEC, architecture, engineering, and construction. It drives smart city planning, helping urban planners visualize traffic, green spaces, and infrastructure before a shovel ever hits the dirt. By creating precise digital twins of proposed sites, development teams can simulate environmental impacts, like flood risks and sunlight exposure early in the design phase. Below ground, utility mapping and subsurface scanning let engineers literally see the unseen, locating hidden pipes and geological hazards to prevent disastrous accidents during excavation. This level of comprehensive spatial awareness eliminates costly guesswork, keeping complex projects on schedule and construction budgets tightly controlled. Whether it's a private development or massive infrastructure, integrating GIS and geospatial services for AEC and federal projects bridges the gap between the blueprint and the real world. Ultimately, it turns flat, abstract architectural drawings into living, data-rich models of our future communities. The world is changing. GIS helps us see where, why, and what's next. Want to see this in action? Check the next video to dive into the full details of how GIS is being used right now across architecture, engineering, and construction to design, build, and protect the cities of tomorrow.